guys, welcome back to another video. So, today is a good day. It is a very good day for me. I had a good day, doing my things as I usually do. And making this video, I am very excited for it. Because it is very important. We have Ouranos. The newest, well, he's not the newest, but you know what I mean. The resurrected version of the once broken Bay on the channel. Combos 3, bearing dash, going up against the 7th member of the Superior 7, the gatekeeper of the 7th slot. It is Ember. Combo 0, expand nothing. This is a reprinted form, so his teeth are strong as frick now. If you guys don't know, Colossus was absolutely annihilated in both left and right rotation form by Ouranos. That's why this battle is so important, because Colossus is the keeper of the 6th spot. And if Ember loses here, he gets kicked off of the Superior 7 in general, and Colossus becomes the keeper of the 7th spot, and then Ouranos takes the 6th spot. So, this battle is very important. I just kicked the frickin' tripod. This battle is very important, and we're going to get right into it. It's probably going to be a bit more standby, and I'm sorry about that, but it's very important. So, will Ouranos take a spot on the Superior 7? Let's find out. We're only going to go first to 5 points this time because it's a stamina-based battle. And well, this is a lot of what we're going to see. So until then, yeah, we're just going to be sitting here. Now, I got a Ooh! Ember utilizing Ouranos' weakness. But at the same time, he's gassing out. Come on, Ember. No. 1-0. I will be reslicing a certain file of another Baytuber that I have. I'm not even going to try to be indecisive. Maximum RPM. I have one of his files, and I'm going to reslice it. It's a defense type. We should all know which one it is, though. And I'm going to battle it here sometime soon. And the opponent, Maximum RPM himself, will choose. So, yeah. No! Oh, he got half. No. That's the most damage ever done. But Ember just bursted. That's bad. 3-0. If Ember loses, he's off. And Colossus gets demoted. Are you serious? Come on, Ember. Don't go down. Hold your spot. I don't think this is going to end well. This is the first time you guys have ever seen Ember in battle, but trust me, he's quite strong. Four to nothing. No! All Ouranos needs is 1 point, and not Ouranos. Ember is demoted. I may even go to 7 points because the time on the video... Whoa. That's not right. The time on the video isn't even that long yet, so... We're only at like 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So, that being said... I need Ember to win this. Because Ouranos... Just no. Please no. Don't do my boy Ember like this on his first video. Oh, he's utilizing his weakness. Push him to the ground. Oh no, he's stabilizing. I think that's a tie. I'm gonna count that as a tie. Ember stopped at the same time Ouranos had that last little movement. Come on, Ember. Tip him over. Colossus couldn't do it, but you can. Come on. Come on. Don't go down. Please. Please. I don't think it's this. No. Oh, he got that under. No. Oh, no. Are you serious? Wow. Ember just lost his spot on the Superior 7. He's no longer one of them. Ouranos is the new sixth spot keeper. He absolutely clean sweeped Ember and Colossus. So now Colossus is the 7th keeper. No way. So, these were the 6th and 7th keepers. And now, it's this way. I really like Ember. Ember is not gone. Okay, I'm even gonna evolve him. Okay, I really like Ember. He was the first stamina type I made aside from Ouranos. Actually, technically speaking, it's the 2nd stamina type I ever made. But that sucks. I didn't think that would happen. Well, guys, with a score of 5-0, Ember loses his place. And the new 6th keeper of the Superior 7 is Ouranos. But there's another Bay that Ouranos is going to have to face here soon. And this one's going to be a bit different. He's going to have to face the 5th keeper. Onslaught. The king of defense on the channel. Arachne's the queen. This battle, this is going to be big. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.